Hi, I'm Lisa Ryan, Chief Appreciation Strategist at Grategy, coming to you live from beautiful Cleveland, Ohio. I'm so excited to meet you at the Association of Woodworking and Furnishing Suppliers this coming July. Join me for manufacturing engagement, how to keep your top talent from becoming someone else's. Now, my father was a master craftsman when it came to woodworking, so I grew up with the smell of sawdust wafting up from the basement where he spent most of his free time. And I'm thrilled to see all the cool things that you guys are doing. So what about this program? Well, you know how hard it is to find the right people who work to work for you. I mean, it takes time, it takes effort, it takes money, and then you hire them and train them and then they leave? What? How do you keep that from happening? Well, join me at my session and find out. In this interactive, entertaining, and fun session, you're going to walk out with ideas that you can use immediately, like right now, tomorrow. You'll also get to hear from others in the room as far as what's working for them. So it's kind of more like a conversation than a lecture. So join me this July. We might have 17 inches of snow right now here in Cleveland, but this program and Vegas are going to be hot. I'll see you there.